minsan kumbang sa summary. So guys, no, part 2 tayo ng video natin ngayon. So since kanina dinouble check natin or sinort natin yung vocabulary list and how to use and the meaning of the vocabulary of N5 level lesson 1 vocabulary. So now let's proceed to grammar. Let's go. So guys, no, nandito tayo sa screen ko. Let's start with N5 Grammar Lesson 1. So mag-aaral tayo ng Japanese language. Ito yung kauna-unahang level na aralin natin, which is the N5, the beginner levels. Okay, let's start with sample sentence. Watashi wa will this, and it means I am will. To start this lesson, class, let's begin with particle wa. Particle wa, ito yung kauna-unahan nating particle na malalaman or matututunan kapag mag-umpisa tayo mag-aaral ng Japanese language. And the purpose of this particle wa, it marks as the topic marker of the sentence. Okay, to start this lesson, ito yung pinak-grammar natin. Noun 1 wa, noun 2 des. N stands for noun, and this particle is pronounced as wa, not ha. Though sa naaral natin sa hiragana, this pronounced as ha. Okay, next we have also noun 2, and then last natin is the this. So, noun 1 is the topic of the sentence. Kumbaga, siya yung pinag-uusapan, siya yung bida sa sentence. And para makakreate tayo ng topic, which is the noun 1, ilalagay natin or susunod natin yung particle wa, which create the topic marker of the sentence. The particle wa or the character wa is to read as ha but pronounced as wa kapag gagamitin natin siya as grammatical element. And noun 2 describe what is noun 1. So yung noun 2, ang purpose nito, dinidescribe niya naman si noun 1. That includes name, age, nationality, social status, occupation, or gender. And the last part of the sentence is this. Ang point nito or ang translation nito, ito yung SMR sa grammar or sa English translation. Okay, so meron tayo ngayon sample sentence sa part ko, no? Sa screen ko. Like example, watashi wa Philippine desu. One more, watashi wa Philippine desu. Watashi, siya yung topic sa sentence. Sa Tagalog, ito yung ako. So siya yung noun 1, followed by topic marker, which is the particle wa. Watashi wa sa Tagalog, ako. Philippine desu, Filipino. I, the topic, ako yung pinag-uusapan, am Filipino. So, itong noun 2 natin, dinidescribe niya si watashi. Sino ba si watashi? Ako. Ako ay Filipino. So, kapag mag-create tayo ng sentence, at kapag gusto natin mag-create ng topic, ilalagay natin siya sa first part of the sentence. Tapos, tapos nito, ilalagay natin yung particle wa, and then, ang sunod nito is noun 2. Tandaan natin yung noun 2, siya yung magdi-describe kung ano si noun 1. Okay? So, meron pa tayong mga nilagay dito na sample sentence. Ribbon, and it means sample sentence. Like example, tomodachi wa nihonjin desu. One word. Tomodachi wa nihonjin desu. Tomodachi, siya yung topic ko sa sentence. Nihonjin desu, and it means Japanese. Japanese ang kaibigan ko. Japanese ang kaibigan ko. Next, imoto wa shou 3年生です。One more. 妹は小3年生です。妹, siya yung topic, siya yung noun 1. 小3年生, it means grade 3, elementary. 小 stands for elementary. And then 3年, it means grade. And then sei, it means life. Life in grade 3, or which is grade 3 students. Student. This. Okay. Hi. Imoto wa, my younger sister, is a grade 3 elementary student. Next. Ani wa kaisain desu. Ani wa kaisain desu. Ani, it means kuya. Siya yung topic, and then siya yung noun 1 natin, followed by particle wa. Kaisain desu. Kaisain desu, it means company employee. My older brother is a company employee. My older brother is a company employee. Siya yung topic natin sa sentence. Another one. Chichi wa haisha desu. One more. Chichi wa haisha desu. Chichi, it means my dad. Haisha, it means dentist. This is. Ne? My father is a dentist. One more. My father is a dentist. Tandaan natin, kapag nakikreate tayo ng topic, lagi natin siyang inuuna sa sentence. Tapos, kung ano siya, ilalagay natin siya as noun 2. And another one, watashi wa 23歳です. One more, watashi wa 23歳です. I am 23 years old. I am 23 years old. I is the topic and i-describe siya ni 23 years old. Sino si 23 years old? Si topic. Watashi desu ne. Okay. So, yun lang guys. And meron pa tayong susunod nito pero ang gagawin natin is ilalagay natin siya sa second video natin. Hay, minsan, arigatou gozaimashita. So guys, no, don't forget to follow and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel for more video like this.